This one or the other side?
Yeah.
One of these two. There we go. That's the one that rattles all the time.
Okay.
Because it's missing. It's rattles a lot. So if you're looking for a rattle, the squeaks and stuff, there's some rattling and stuff that comes in the back here.
Yeah.
Just from all the, I don't know how much of it's the crap that's in there and how much of it's the machine itself.
How much tire noise would we get over here?
Ooh, yeah, the tires will make a lot of noise on the street.
Okay.
So,
and like if I was off these,
if you ran it off the leaf springs, that puts you close enough, you get a lot of the noise out of it. And that's actually small enough. There's enough gas out that.
oh, don't pull too hard. We just put something on there so it doesn't rip it.
Yeah.
No, I just wanted to